future special features क्या है?
This product, we have special features like this product can be monitored by an application on your mobile. You can do geofencing of the product if somebody is using the product and you want him to be within a limited area. So if he crosses that area, you will get a text message and you can monitor the product. There are rider 1, rider 2 options where the product can be seen how a rider 1 is driving, how a rider 2 is driving. The best part of this product is that it is a per kilometer usage cost will be 30 paisa. And if you buy a petrol two-wheeler, it will cost nothing less than 2.5 rupees per kilometer. So it is very economical. People having solar in their house, it will be completely free for them. And we give 3 years warranty for the motor, controller and battery. We can further extend the warranty at additional cost. We will also give option in future to buy back the product. If the customer is willing to upgrade, we will give options to buy back the product after 3 years. And we also have finance and insurance options for this product. We will compete with all the major players in the market like Ola, iQube, TVS, Bajaj and other companies who are already present and are doing good numbers. We are planning to scale up from currently we are present in Hyderabad. Gradually we will open 36 showrooms in India and then we will take it up to 100 plus showrooms by next financial year. And we are looking for a volume of more than 5,000 units per month. So this is the vision of the company.
स्टार्टिंग प्राइस कैसे है?
The price of the vehicle starts from 75,000 rupees and it goes till 1,10,000 rupees. And soon we will launch the motorcycle which will be very competitive in price and which will have a good range in single charge. Our scooters get charged in less than 3 hours and give a range of 120 kilometers per hour, per charge. And we give 1,000 battery charging cycle. So it is very convenient for people to charge it at their premises and at office spaces. It requires a 3-point power plug point of 15 ampere and you can easily charge your vehicle. We have good service support to back the product and we have a good warranty timing also.
How many models available?
There are 4 models. One is Dodo, one is Star, one is Shine and one is Phoenix. Phoenix is a high-speed product and it starts from 99,000. And Dodo, Star, Shine and Dodo, Star, Shine are all below 1 lakh rupees. They start from 75,000 to 99,000.
Today we are having so many EV companies in market.
Yeah.
What makes your product more confident?
So basically if you see all the EV have a challenge of service network. So we have created a service network first and then we started selling the product. Before launching this product, we ourselves at our factory have made the product in last 3 years. We have done R&D and then we have sold the product to end users to 600 customers. After getting the feedback of this customer, we have made the changes in our product and then we started appointing dealers in India so that there is any issue, we can address it beforehand. So our product after going to the market or on the road, they should not have any problems. Our customers should be happy and they should get as a repeat sale. And if you see, a two-wheeler industry in India sells currently 18 lakh units per month. Out of which only 1,30,000 sale is electric two-wheelers. Government today is supporting electric vehicles and solar. In 2030, government is estimating the total sale of electric two-wheelers will go till 70% with the support of subsidy and other things. So we have a larger scope to catch the market. If the sale is 18 lakhs, so we have a target of at least electric two-wheeler sales will go up to 12 lakh units. So we have a big space to capture. So currently the total sale with all the players put together is 1,30,000. So we can make our space easily in this segment and we can run faster and quickly try and achieve our goal of 5,000 units per month.
so many companies have failed their models.
Yeah.
What are you taking precautions of?
So if you see, majority people fail in the battery. So battery is, they are more importing the battery from China, which are not compatible as per the Indian temperature. And at the end, they burn. Because the Chinese temperature, all the places in China are not very hot. They are between 26 to 32 degrees. Our temperature starts from 40 plus degrees and it ends up with 48, 49 in a lot of places in India. So what we have done is that we have made the batteries in India only. It is made in India. Our complete product is made in India. Our battery is made in India. So we take care of the temperature. We have the cooling procedure in the battery. And there is a certification called, a law called AS 156, which is monitored by the government. And we make the battery according to the law of AS 156, so that the battery does not heat up. It has a cooling technology, so the cases of fire does not happen. And we also have an indicator, because our batteries are CAN enabled. So we also have indicator in some kind of situation, mishap, the battery gets heated. The driver will be informed advancedly that there is a problem with the battery. You immediately leave the vehicle and run away. So there are chances that if something happens at a very extreme condition, but the owner will be safe. So this is the technology that we are using in our company.
Is there roadside assistance facility available
Yeah,
for your
we
product?
have tied up with the roadside assistance facility. Currently, our volume is limited to 250 units per month. So once we activate, we will activate the roadside assistance. Currently, all our vehicles are supported from the local dealer network only. But we already have a tie-up with roadside assistance service.
Sir, ये single battery or dual battery?
It is single battery at the moment, because average Indian running per electric scooter in India is not more than 40 kilometers. So our batteries are already powered to 220 kilometers in single charge. So any user will get enough time to use it and then come back home or at office and charge it. So we don't feel that we should burden the cost by putting two batteries, because the end user does not need a range more than 120 per day. So it is convenient. We have also supplied to last mile deliveries like Swiggy, Zomato and Zepto through our customers. So there also the need is their average range they want per day is around 100. So our scooters are doing good in that also. They are also not expecting dual batteries.
Thank you.